Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is only a small tip about the lights group node. And yeah, so this tip is from Juan Carlos Montes at Mox Studios. So it's not mine. Okay, so I show you. So here I select all the things here and put them out of the lights folder or lights node. And when you rotate here the lights, yeah, you see here something happens on the screen. And when you put objects or things in this lights folder, like this, then the objects rotate with the light. So yeah, it's nice. And you can use it here for the turntable, for example. So here you can start rotating the other things and yeah, can play with it. So this is one thing. And the other thing is it also works in the different direction. So I turn off the environment. So now you see here the lights rotate and the objects are rotating. So, and if you want to stay the light in place, so take the light and put it in another group. So now the light stays in position, but the objects rotate. So you see now the light doesn't rotate at the moment. Yeah. So maybe you can use it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.